Bend the knees. Open the left foot. Lift the arm. Sink down, press down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, arm press down. Lift, inhale. Press down. Inhale, lift, straight up the body. Sink down your hips. Press down. Number 2, Tai Chi circle. Cross hand. Separate. Make a circle. Cross in front of your chest. Separate. Relax your shoulder. Straight your spine. Good. Open. Cross 3. Open. Cross 4. Change direction. Open. 1. Cross. Open 2. Cross. 3. Cross. 4. Cross. Okay. Number 3. Tai Chi golden rooster. Stand on 1 foot. Close right foot. Lift. Down. Close. Lift. Down. Close. Lift up. Press down. Close. Lift. Press down. Lift. Press down. Lift up. Press. Number 7, lift. Press down. Number 8, lift. Press down. Number 4, turn the body waving up. Lift the palm. 1 push, 1 back. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 8. Push. Bring down. Number 5. Grab bird's tail. Toes over. Hold the ball. Step forward. Lift. Pull to the side. Touch the wrist and turn. Push. Cross hand. Press down. Lift. Push. Close left foot. Turn to left side, hold the ball. Step forward, lift, go back to hand touch, push 3, cross hand, press down, lift, push, close. Turn to right side, hold the ball. Step 1, lift for 2, and pass the wrist turn for 3, cross hand, press down 4, lift and push, close. Turn to left side, hold the ball. Step forward, turn, move up and do. Touch, push G, press the arm, lift, push. Okay, now change. Change another one. Kick with both hands, cross, lift, kick, 1, close, lift, kick, 2, close, lift, kick, 3, close, lift, kick, 4, close, lift, kick, 5, close, lift, kick, 6, close, lift, kick, 7, one more time, close, lift, kick, 8, bring the hand down, hold the fist, turn right, step, bring the hand back and forward, hold the fist and pull, turn to left side, open the step, bring the hand back, forward, hold the fist, close. Turn right, step, forward, hold the fist and close, 3, turn, step, forward, close, 4, turn, step, forward, close, 5, turn, step, forward, hold, 6, turn, step, forward, close, 7, turn, step, forward, close, 8, bring the hand up. Next one, cloudy hand. Turn right, 1, and left, 2, turn right, 3, turn left, 4, turn right, 5, turn left, 6, turn right, 7, turn left, 8, close, Number 9, Tai Chi punch. Punch. 1. Close. 2. Close. 3. Close. 4. Close. 5. Close. 6. Close. 7. Close. 8. Close. Bring hand up. Number 10. Closing form. Cross your hand. Separate. Single press down. 1. Exhale. Inhale. Cross your hand. Leave. Exhale. Sink down the body. Palm press down. Leave. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, cross hand. Exhale, slow down, press down. Finish. Close your left foot. Lift the palm. Finish.